The big windy night. Today we are going to learn that even when everything feels blown away, love and calm can bring it all together. As the forest settled into its soft bedtime rhythm, a sudden whoosh stirred the trees. The wind wasn't angry, but it was loud and wild, swirling through the branches with playful energy. All across the woods, little creatures stirred in surprise. Flicker's fur ruffled as he glanced up from his moss blanket. "My moss blanket!" he cried out. Nutty clutched her bundle of bedtime twigs and gasped, "Oh no, my bedtime twigs!" Daisy blinked nervously at the shadows dancing across the leaves. "The shadows, they are moving," she whispered. Hoppity peeked from his burrow as leaves blew in, brushing them aside. "The leaves are covering my burrow." Shelly, slow and steady, watched her snack leaf roll away and murmured, "My snack leaf, it rolled away." Too restless to stay in their cozy spots, the friends gathered under the old oak tree. The night peeked through the branches, while soft gusts whispered through the leaves. Nutty sat close to Flicker, her tail tight around him. "I don't like when everything flies away," she said. Flicker shivered. "Even my tail feels chilly." Daisy looked around and admitted, "The wind made funny shapes. I got a little scared." Shelly gave a small sigh. "I miss my leaf." Hoppity's ears drooped. "Is bedtime cancelled tonight?" he asked softly. From the highest branch, gentle wings floated down. Whisper, the wise owl of the forest, landed softly in front of them. His feathers glowed in the starlight. He looked around at each worried face and said gently, "Don't worry, my little ones. Let me sing you a song to calm the wind inside you." Perched above her friends, Whisper began to sing. His voice floated gently.
When the wind blows through the trees, dancing leaves and swaying breeze, don't be scared, my forest crew. The stars are still watching you.
Flicker smiled. Nutty gave a soft nod. Whisper gently touched Shelly's shell with a wing, and Daisy began to lean closer into the circle. Whisper continued his lullaby.
Flicker, Nutty, Daisy too, Hoppity and Shelly true. You're safe beneath the starlit sky, so close your eyes and don't you cry.
The friends curled closer, their little bodies softening. Daisy's lashes drooped. Hoppity nestled in tight beside Nutty. The last verse drifted gently through the forest.
When the wind blows through the trees, dancing leaves and swaying breeze, don't be scared, my forest crew. The stars are still watching you.
The breeze faded to stillness. The moon glowed gently overhead. The forest listened and settled. And just like that, the forest grew still. The wind had calmed. The stars blinked above, peaceful and steady. The friends lay close beneath the old oak tree, snuggled together like puzzle pieces. Whisper watched quietly from above, his heart full, his eyes soft. Not a leaf stirred, not a worry remained, but in every little tiny heart, something special stayed behind. A quiet calm and a song that made bedtime feel warm again. Moral of the story: even when everything feels blown away, love and calm can bring it all back together. If you like this adventure, don't forget to tap the like button. Subscribe to HoppitySun for more gentle stories every week.
Hoppity's giggles, Hoppities run, let's all play at HoppitySun.